बुधवारा राज्य मंत्रिमंडळाची बसका जाली। बसकेत महत्वाचे निर्णय घेतल्यात। जानेराच्या 25 तारखेर अधिवेशनाक मान्यताय दिल्या। पंचायत आणि जिल्हा पंचायत निधी संदर्भातूय ह्या बसकेत निर्णय घेतला। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
First, the levy of damages for the delay in achieving the condition precedents in the GM Mopa International Airport, both the sides, म्हणजे तांच्यानी आमच्या साइडींतल्यान जे हे आशिल्लें ते वेव ऑफ करपा खातीर आयचे डिसिजन आशिल्लें। Proposal for the filling of the post of the consultant on the orbit and surgeon on the contract basis in Goa Medical College. Contract basis in Goa खातीर. Next, post of the approval towards the purchase of the 5,000 numbers of the COVID testing using for the TrueNet machines. Post sector approval. Next, post sector approval towards the purchase of the test for the Abbott machine. The COVID testing. Goa Panchayat Raj amendment. ओके हाजे डिटेल्स मागीर थोड्या उलयतलो तुमच्याकडे काही अमेंडमेंट जे आसा पंचायत आणि जिल्हा पंचायत हेका लागपी दोनांयकूय आमी जो निधी वाडोवन दिता म्हटलेलो त्या संदर्भात ते सगळे सोपयले वता आमचे पंचायत मिनिस्टर मागीर हाजे डिटेलान उलयतले। PRN infrastructure and overhead for the amount of 88,12.66 reasonable rate. Detour and construction of the barge and raw water pumping station at the Murdiwada, improvement of the Chitore tank Savivere. Although the lowest point national select करपा खातीर हे कॅबिनेटा खातीर आयले। ओके raw water pumping station at Murdiwada, improvement at Chitore tank at Savivere. For the irrigation and water treatment plant for the drinking water supply to the village panchayat Savivere and Keri, including the neighboring villages free of constituency in Fonda Taluka. Amendment to the business of the government of the Goa allocation rules. काही आमचे कलेक्टराच्या अंडर येवपी बिझनेसीस हे रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंटाच्या अंडर वयताले ताका कलेक्टराच्या अंडर हाडपा खातीरच पर्सनल डिपार्टमेंटांनी अमेंडमेंट मूव केला। Summoning of the assembly, 1 week assembly summon केल्ली आसा. It is from the 25th of January.